Hi everyone. Welcome again to another breakdown for our FOMC week. Sorry guys, I haven't been around. I didn't post last week. Uh, it's actually very tasking to run a trading channel, but I do my best. All right. So straight to the point. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my take on what I'm seeing on the markets. Right. So straight to the point. First off, I'd like to start with the calendar, a very packed calendar that we have ahead of us next week, and this calendar is going to cap off obviously with FOMC on Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. FOMC along with NFP, these are one of the two events that you can literally use and double your account size. Right, you can get up to 160% growth if depending on what you're trading, depending on how you're handling it. And this is one of those weeks where I advise everyone to really take advantage of the opportunities presented by FOMC federal funds rate events. Now, what are we seeing on DXY? Remember, guys, everything I do in trading starts from DXY. Uh, I had this little consolidation zone over here last week, which was broken on Friday. You can see the break over there. It was broken around there, right? Once it was broken, it retested this whole area, right? So what am I expecting this week? Zoom out again for you guys. Daily chart there. This week, this index, dollar-based index, has been pushing towards 93. It actually hit 93 sometime this week. You can see there was a little spike there, and due to the break of this zone, what do I see? I expect the dollar index to push higher because the US economy is literally trying to repair itself. I expect it to push higher to the next resistance zone. And what do we have here? If we go on the daily chart, basically this resistance zone over here, remember this is a daily time frame. This is a possible level that it could hit 93,361, right? And obviously if it moves, then every other thing will move. Looking at dollar CAD broke the trend line earlier this week. We made a lot of profits from this short over here, big short over there. We made a lot of profits from this short, and since then it's been ranging. If I go back to the 2-hour time frame, it's been ranging, and we have a little structure there, right? We have a little structure there, indicating that probably this market it started going down because we have one rejection, two major rejections. We have a little spike there. Obviously, illiquidity has caused this most recent tank that we see here. But what do I expect? I expect this market to break out from this zone and go to higher highs from this point moving forward. And what area will I be looking at? I'll be looking at this market, obviously, to go back at minimum to this zone right here. This is a potential zone that this market could rise to. I'll make it flat and even over there. Round even 127,700. So you guys should watch out for that zone. Zones to look out for: 126,086, 125,233. If during the week you're trading and you forget these zones, you can always come back to this video. That's why it's on YouTube for you guys. Euro USD, straight to the point. This market has been trending downwards for about 2 weeks now, if I'm not mistaken. We've been taking every single downward move, and this market now finds itself within this area of consolidation. Remember, this is a daily chart. It finds itself around here. What do I expect? If the dollar keeps on gaining strength, then we could see 1.17300. So the market could tank here, 1.17300, or it could even go further to lower lows. So this area over here, I'll give you guys the area real quickly. 1.18032 and 1.17518 is an area that you should be looking at. Obviously, if there's a break on the retest and a continuation downside, we will be taking that short. Last pair of the day, something that I trade a lot, pound USD. There was actually a symmetrical triangle that was formed sometime last week, which was broken. You can clearly see there. Chart patterns, if you don't know what a symmetrical triangle is, you can go and Google it and check it out. I teach this in my course as well. But the triangle was formed and it was broken. And now we have this little area over here. We're seeing a retest of this area. So you guys can go ahead and look at these zones, 1.37901 and 1.37119, right? We have a retest there. And once that retest is complete, then we will see a continuation downside. It could head down back to the next support zone. We have one support zone here. I'll make it round and even later. Next obvious support zone that we could head to is there. So you guys go ahead and look at these areas. Now I only trade levels. I always try to get my trend before I trade. I use a lot of candlestick patterns. I use a lot of candlestick anatomy. I pay a lot of attention to my fundamentals, right? It is a combination of components that you put together to trade. So you guys have a good trading week. It's FOMC. I wish everyone watching my channel and following my channel finally gets a chance to double their account this week. And make sure you subscribe to my upcoming course. There's a summer sale going on for the course, and I'm giving discounts of up to 70% on all my advanced programs, be it live here at the academy or online via Zoom. So you guys take care. Talk to you guys again next week. Bye.